Welcome back to Auto Craze, your go-to destination for deep dives into the most innovative companies, vehicles, and technologies shaping our world. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an in-depth breakdown. Today, we're taking a detailed look at a name that's been making serious waves in the industrial and commercial engine world, at Weichai Group, and what 2025 has brought to this global powerhouse. From state-of-the-art hydrogen engines to futuristic intelligent manufacturing, Weichai is not just keeping up with the future, they're helping build it. Let's get started. Weichai Group, founded in 1946 and headquartered in Fang, Shandong Province, China, has grown from a humble engine manufacturer into one of the most formidable forces in the global industrial landscape. In 2025, it stands not only as a leader in diesel engines but also as a pioneering force in new energy technologies, smart logistics, and commercial vehicle innovation. This year marks a critical point in Weichai's strategic roadmap. They've been executing what they call the 4-in-1 industrial layout, focusing on powertrains, commercial vehicles, agricultural equipment, and intelligent logistics. In 2025, this blueprint has matured significantly, transforming Weichai from a primarily mechanical company into a full-spectrum tech-industrial conglomerate. One of the biggest highlights for Weichai this year is their massive leap in hydrogen energy development. Hydrogen power has been a hot topic across the globe, and Weichai is at the forefront of this transition. In 2025, they introduced their latest generation hydrogen fuel cell systems, with power densities and durability metrics that place them among the world's top performers. These new systems are already being deployed in buses, logistics fleets, and even some off-road applications in mining and agriculture. Their latest 200 kilowatts hydrogen fuel cell stack, for instance, boasts an impressive lifespan of over 30,000 hours, with startup capabilities in sub-zero temperatures, making it viable for a wide range of harsh environments. This is a huge step forward for hydrogen tech, and it aligns perfectly with China's national strategy to promote green, clean energy and reduce carbon emissions. But Weichai isn't stopping at fuel cells. In 2025, they've expanded their work on hydrogen internal combustion engines. Yes, not just electric fuel cells, actual hydrogen combustion engines. These engines work similarly to traditional ICEs but burn hydrogen instead of gasoline or diesel, providing a near-zero emission solution while utilizing existing engine infrastructure. This hybrid approach makes hydrogen adoption more accessible, especially in regions where pure electrification is still challenging due to infrastructure constraints. This year, Weichai's hydrogen combustion engine reached thermal efficiency levels above 45%, which is groundbreaking in the industry. For context, most traditional diesel engines operate around 40% efficiency. That means more power, less waste, and cleaner operations. Beyond hydrogen, Weichai continues to lead in high-efficiency diesel engine development. In 2025, they unveiled the latest version of their high-speed diesel engines with thermal efficiency reaching a record-setting 53.09%. That's currently the highest efficiency rating for a commercial diesel engine in the world. These engines are already being implemented in heavy-duty trucks, marine applications, and power generation, setting new benchmarks for fuel economy and emissions. And speaking of heavy-duty trucks, Weichai's influence here goes far beyond just supplying the engine. Through their ownership stake in Shaanxi Heavy-Duty Automobile and a strong partnership with Sinotruk, Weichai is shaping the design, engineering, and performance of commercial vehicles across China and globally. In 2025, their smart heavy-duty trucks are more than just vehicles, they're platforms for data and AI. Weichai has integrated IoT sensors and real-time diagnostics into their powertrains and transmissions. This allows fleet operators to monitor fuel usage, maintenance needs, and even driving behavior in real time. The benefits are huge: lower operational costs, better vehicle uptime, and improved safety. They've also incorporated autonomous driving technology into some of their test fleets. While full Level 5 autonomy is still years away, Weichai's Level 3 and Level 4 systems are already being used in controlled environments like logistics parks, mines, and ports. These self-driving trucks, powered by Weichai engines, are helping reshape what logistics might look like just a few years from now. On the manufacturing side, 2025 has seen Weichai double down on smart factories. Their Fang headquarters now includes a fully digitized production line that uses robotics, AI, and machine vision to enhance productivity and quality. From block casting to final assembly, every step is automated and data-driven. This means faster production times, lower defect rates, and reduced energy consumption. This level of automation doesn't just benefit Weichai internally, it serves as a model for other manufacturers in China and beyond, as they look to modernize their operations and compete in a global market that's rapidly becoming more demanding and tech-oriented. And let's not forget Weichai's global footprint. In 2025, their international subsidiaries are thriving. Their acquisition of Germany's Lindt Hydraulics, Italy's Weichai Group, and France's Baudouin are still paying dividends. These companies have been instrumental in helping Weichai not only expand its market reach but also absorb key technologies. For example, through Baudouin, Weichai has strengthened its marine engine capabilities. The 2025 line of Baudouin marine engines combines high performance with extreme reliability, now equipped with smart diagnostics and improved fuel efficiency. This makes them ideal for commercial shipping and offshore operations where uptime and cost control are critical. Meanwhile, Lindt Hydraulics continues to integrate with Weichai's engine and transmission systems, offering seamless powertrain solutions for construction equipment and heavy machinery. And the Weichai Group, while a bit outside the usual industrial box, gives Weichai a foothold in the luxury marine market, showcasing the brand's versatility and premium aspirations. In the realm of agricultural machinery, Weichai has been pushing hard in 2025 to modernize Chinese farming. Their smart tractors and harvesters, fitted with Weichai power units and advanced GPS-guided systems, are transforming how farmers manage crops. Precision agriculture is no longer a buzzword, it's reality. Farmers can now plant, irrigate, fertilize, and harvest with pinpoint accuracy, reducing waste and increasing yields. And this ties into another critical component of Weichai's strategy: carbon neutrality. The company has committed to peak carbon emissions before 2030 and achieving full carbon neutrality by 2060. Their investments in hydrogen, battery electric systems, and smart logistics all serve this larger environmental goal. Weichai has also established several green manufacturing hubs that use solar energy, recycle waste heat, and implement closed-loop water systems. In 2025, they've published a new ESG report that outlines their progress, including a 20% reduction in energy consumption across all major factories compared to 2020 levels. This is a big deal in an industry known for its resource intensity. And let's talk about the numbers. In 2025, Weichai Group's revenues have crossed the $60 billion mark, with exports climbing thanks to strong demand in Southeast Asia, Africa, and parts of Europe. Their R&D budget alone this year exceeds $1.5 billion, fueling innovation not just in products but also in digital services and future energy ecosystems. It's also worth noting that Weichai's workforce is evolving. The company has invested heavily in talent development, with partnerships across top Chinese universities and global engineering institutions. In 2025, over 30% of their staff are R&D personnel, and the company runs multiple internal innovation labs that encourage rapid prototyping and product iteration. So, what's next for Weichai Group beyond 2025? They're aiming to become not just a leader in engines or trucks but a core player in global industrial digital transformation. This means creating end-to-end smart ecosystems where Weichai products not only run machinery and vehicles but also gather data, communicate with other systems, and optimize performance through AI. They're also targeting the aerospace and next-gen energy storage sectors. There are already whispers of Weichai entering the solid-state battery race, and early-stage investments in high-density energy packs could position them as serious contenders in the EV supply chain. From diesel and hydrogen to AI and automation, 2025 is proving to be a landmark year for Weichai, and if the past is any indication of the future, we can expect them to keep pushing boundaries and setting new benchmarks across industries. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Weichai Group and their 2025 innovations, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Drop a comment below to let us know which aspect of Weichai's technology you found most impressive. And of course, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss our upcoming videos on the world's most influential companies and cutting-edge machines. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.